cold water glow valve, steam glow valve, locking mechanism, temperature control hand wheel, primary output, secondary output, temperature gauge. Prior to cold water supply line installation, make sure cold water glow valve is fully closed by turning hand wheel clockwise. Prior to steam supply line installation, make sure steam glow valve is fully closed by turning hand wheel clockwise. Prior to mixing unit operation, make sure temperature control hand wheel is fully open by turning hand wheel counterclockwise. As you spray, begin mixing unit operation by turning cold water glow valve to its full open position by turning hand wheel counterclockwise. Next, begin to open steam glow valve gradually by turning hand wheel counterclockwise. You will begin to notice temperature output rising. Once you reach desired temperature output, please confirm with temperature gauge. Once temperature output is confirmed, close locking mechanism lock nut by turning clockwise. Then lock into place using lock nut by turning clockwise until fully tightened. Second scenario. Open steam glow valve by turning hand wheel counterclockwise. If desired temperature output is not achieved, begin to close temperature control hand wheel by turning it clockwise. You will notice temperature output increasing. Continue until temperature output stabilizes. Mixing unit shutdown procedure. As you spray, please leave temperature control hand wheel in its current position. Begin by closing steam glow valve by turning hand wheel clockwise until fully closed. As steam glow valve is closed, you will notice an interruption in flow. This is normal. Cold water will begin to flow again. Close cold water glow valve by turning hand wheel clockwise until fully closed.